Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, we're going to just get right to it today, okay? I'm going to cook you some mango chicken. You know, I've been telling you that I want to start cooking with some fruit to incorporate that into our diet. You know, we don't always pick up a piece of fruit and eat it. So why not incorporate it into the meal, and then the whole family has it, okay? And I love mangoes. What about you? Okay, all right. So let's give this a try. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video and subscribe. Check out my links below. Love you, love you, love you. Let's do it. Okay, so what I have here is one large onion cut up into cubes, one zucchini, one red pepper that was previously frozen. I just pulled it out the freezer. And this is a cup and a half mangoes. And this is some chicken meat that I cut off of 3 drumsticks, okay? And then we have some garlic, crushed garlic. And we're going to be using onion, granulated onion, parsley, lemon pepper, garlic and herb, and of course olive oil. So let's start right out with the olive oil. You just want enough to coat the bottom of the pan. You don't need to use a lot of oil. You can add it as you go, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put a piece in to see when that gets started. Once that little piece of onion gets started, I know my frying pan is hot enough that we can get started here, okay? I hope everything is well with you guys today. I'm doing pretty good today. Okay, I have the onions in. I'm going to let the onions get started first for about 2 or 3 minutes. And then we're going to start adding other items. We'll be back in 2 or 3 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so our onions have been cooking for about 3 minutes. So now we're going to add our zucchini, red pepper, all cut up into cubes. Okay, we're going to add our chopped garlic. That's 1 heaping tablespoon. Two heaping tablespoons. Okay, let's start adding some seasoning on there. I'm going to add some lemon pepper. Some granulated onion. Alright, now we're going to put some garlic and herb. Yes, some more garlic. Just a little. I want the herbs in there. Okay, let's throw in some parsley. I'm going to add some more olive oil because my oil is have cooked down. Okay, so I want that to cook a few minutes. About 2 minutes to get the zucchini going, so it's you don't want it soft, you want it with a nice bite to it, okay? You can just take and peel the zucchini, and you can see it's getting soft in the middle. So we're going to add the mangoes. Oh, that's going to make it so good. Look at the color, guys. Okay, I feel a little spot where the zucchini is getting to the point where it's a nice bite to it. So we're going to take everything out, and then we're going to add in the chicken into the frying pan. Okay, going to add some olive oil. We already have the garlic and stuff down in there. I'm going to cook the chicken and then taste it. See if I need more. Now this was 3 large chicken drumsticks that I cut the meat off of. I wanted some skinless dark meat. Let's cover that. We'll let that get started. Okay, so why don't I give you the word of the day while the chicken is cooking, okay? I'd like to give you a healthy word of the day today, okay? So try to consider putting some lemon juice in your drinks, whether it's in your water or your Kool-Aid or your orange juice, whatever you're drinking, try to incorporate lemon juice in it. Because the lemon juice is vitamin C, and it will also help to quench your thirst. Okay, very, very important. Lemon juice, it's our best friend. That's the word of the day, lemon juice. Try it, you'll like it. Okay, so we're going to give our chicken about another 3 minutes. It's browning nicely. do want to add some onion powder on the chicken. And then I'm going to taste it. Got a nice color to it. So you see, you can be creative. We don't always have to cook the same. I'm going to taste it. I need some seasoning. Lemon powder. Garlic and herb. Okay, let's put it all together. Okay, it's done. We're going to have that over some rice. Let me get the rice heated up, and I'm going to plate it up and present it to you. Give me a second. Okay, guys. Our mango chicken is out. Look at that. Wow. And we have some brown rice to go with it. Alright, so let me taste. 1 second. Okay, guys. Here's our mango chicken and rice. I have some here. Mmm. Mmm. The first thing that I taste is the mango. You bite right into that. The juice from that mango pops out in your mouth. And then I taste the herbs and the zucchini. And then I bite into the chicken. So you got that mango that's kind of sweet. And then you have the chicken that's savory. Together. Wonderful. Oh, you are gonna love this dish. You are gonna love it. Oh, I can't wait to bring you some more dish with fruit. Why not? Okay? Alright, give this a thumbs up. Go ahead and do that now, please. Give it a thumbs up, because if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please share the video, because we all need more fruit in our life, right? Until next time, thank you. And subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I'd love to welcome you. Until next time, God bless.